Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist and I'm in my parents' kitchen again. And today, my dad's gonna show us how to make Georgia sweet tea in the microwave. Let's do it.
We'll begin by having a quart of water in my container. Okay? Then I have 2 packs family size tea that I'm going to place in the container. And I have 11 grains of Necta Sweet sweetener. This is the brand that I use. I'm going to put them in the container. Then I'm going to place it in the microwave. Okay, I set it for 6 minutes. Well, we're back. The tea has cooked for 6 minutes. I let it steep for 2 minutes. And now it's ready to go. All I've got to do is pour it up. Okay, now this holds a gallon, so I want to fill it up. I'm going to get a little more cold faucet water and finish filling it up, and it'll be all set. Okay, here we go. See, very simple. So I'll take this knife and I'll stir the tea real well. Make sure that the water and the tea is well mixed. All right, let's try it, Jan.
Okay, let's do it. That's Georgia sweet tea. It's caffeine free, it's sugar free. Thank you so much, Dad, for making this video with me and teaching us how to make Georgia sweet tea. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of the day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.